Hey guys, I'm heading over to Goodwill right now to see if they have any grab bags of diecast cars. This is the first video I've downloaded in about a week. I've been to several places, but they don't have any new Hot Wheels, so been kind of duds. But I just wanted to say thank you so much. I just hit 100 subscribers. I want to thank everybody that's supporting this channel. Emmanuel Guzman, Meta Knight, Audi, Tune Tracks. If I missed your name, I'm sorry, but thank you guys for helping me hit the 100 mark. And so I'm gonna head over to Goodwill right now and see if they got any diecast. So we'll see you there. Okay, here we are, guys, heading into Goodwill right now. See what they got. Actually, Savers. I'm gonna go to Savers instead of Goodwill, because Goodwill didn't have anything. So I will see you in there. I might not. They play a lot of music in here, so I might not video in there. So we'll see. Hey guys, I'm back home now. Yeah, I didn't video in Savers because they were playing music really loud. But I did find some stuff. I found 5 bags of diecast cars. Actually 4 bags. There was more than that, but I just grabbed 4. And there's 5 diecast cars in each bag. So I've got a total of 20 diecast cars. And the bags, they weren't cheap, but $2.99 for 5 cars, that's not bad. And whenever you go to a thrift store, you're helping people out with your donations, you know, so $2.99 for 5. So let's get these busted open. Start with the first bag here. Let's see what we got. Oh, check this one out. I don't know what that's, a Hot Wheel, or it's probably one of those generic. It just says made in China. So that must be with a toy set or something. Boy, this one here is really scratched up. Looks like it's been in a wreck, huh? Let's see what this one is. Again, that must be one that's with the set or something. Same with this one here. It's really thin. It's like a thin, light car. It's die-cast and metal, but it's a little smaller than that one. I don't know what this one is. This probably just says made in China. It says made in China 03-6. So again, that must be also with that must be with a toy set or something. Oh, check this one out. This one's pretty cool. Convertible. So a Corvette maybe or something. Let's check the bottom of it and see what it is. It's actually a Matchbox. Yeah, 2000 Corvette. Pretty nice. Kind of scratched up. It's got the license plate on the back. Pretty nice. And here's a race car. Let's see if that's Matchbox or Hot Wheels. Yeah, it's Hot Wheels. It's called Aerodynamic 2012 Mattel. That may come with a toy. You know how they have the shark launcher? My nephew got one of those, and it came with a car similar to that. Okay, let's do the next bag up. Let's see what we got here. Start out with a FedEx truck. Pretty cool. I used to work at FedEx. It's got a little. I was hoping the door opened, but it doesn't. It's pretty clean. Let's see which one that is. That is like a Matchbox. It's pretty nice. It's not all scratched up or anything. It says FedEx clearly on the side. So that's nice. And here we have a dump truck. That looks like a Matchbox as well, probably. Let's see. Oh no, it's a Maisto City Service, probably. And here's a cool one. I got one of these on my last bag, but it was a darker blue. If you see my other video, the last thrift store I was at, I got one like this. Looks like the Bonnie and Clyde car that they got shot up in. Except I think that was a station wagon. It went further back here. Let's see, what is this one here? Let's see. It just says Ertl, E-R-T-L brand. I don't know if you can see that or not. It says Ertl on there. Oh, I swore that was a Hot Wheel, or it's metal and everything. Pretty sweet. What is that, maybe a 1932 or early to mid 30s car? Pretty clean, it's not scratched up or anything. Cool. And here we got a race car with the McDonald's logo on it. Excuse me. It's pretty nice. Let's see what that one is. It just says 1998 Mattel Hot Wheels. I wonder if McDonald's put these in their Happy Meals back then. Huh. That's pretty cool. And then finally in this bag we got a that looks like a Chevy Citation. My grandparents used to have one of those. I don't know if that's just the way that's supposed to be, or the top came off, or check out those tires. That's pretty neat. That is a it says Montezuma and then China on it, but it doesn't say Hot Wheels or Matchbox. Huh, interesting car. Okay, 2 bags down, 2 to go. Let's see what's in this one here. I'll try to go a little quicker this time, guys. My video last time was 20 minutes. I know you guys don't want to, it's a long video, so I'm kind of going through these as fast as I can so you guys can get a look at them, and I'll try to get it cut back some. Here's another convertible. It's pretty scratched up, and this one is a Hot Wheels. Doesn't say what kind it is. Oh, look at this one. This is plastic. I don't know what this one is. Oh, it is Hot Wheels, but it's plastic. Like a Roadster one. Huh. Interesting. And here's a work van. It's kind of scratched up. The emblem's gone on the side. That kind of looks like Matchbox, maybe. Is the door open? No. Let's see. Yeah, it just says Hot Wheels, 1996. That's pretty cool. Then we got a cool looking Jeep thing. Pretty nice. And that is it's a Hot Wheels. Looks like it says Bad Mudder 2. M-U-D-D-E-R. If you guys could read that or not. That's pretty neat. Has some writing on the side. Pretty nice. And here is a pickup. I guess it can pick up. I don't know if I'll check and see what it is here in a second. That is actually it's Volkswagen Severe. S-A-V-E-I-R-E. And it's a Matchbox. You can see it here. Let you read that. It's pretty cool. It says, was it Turbo Tours on the side? It's kind of scratched out a little bit. But it's a tour car. Huh, pretty neat. Alright guys, finally the last bag. I'm going to get this video over with. It won't be too long. Let's see. Oh, look at this one. This is really neat. Check this out. That is really cool. That is nice, clean. It's a bigger car too. It's a bigger one. Look at that. What would that be? 155 scale? Chris from Toon Tracks, you would know. And Emmanuel, you guys would know what this is. Chris would probably know more than all of us because he buys all kinds of. Just 155. scale. Oh, it's Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. Yes, Krispy Kreme wagon. Cool. That's sweet. And it just says promotional model Lato. So this might have been something you bought, you know, as a gift or something at Krispy Kreme. I'm not sure. Either way, it's really nice. Look at that. That is sweet looking. Cool. Now we got a Jelly Belly pickup. Jelly Belly factory is in the town that I grew up in, Fairfield, California. That's pretty cool. In the Bay Area. That's pretty sweet. I don't know if that's Matchbox or, let's see. No, again, it's not branded, but again, maybe it's something you get at the factory. But it looks like it. Doesn't that look like a Hot Wheels or Matchbox? The tire's kind of wedged up in there, kind of stuck, but it's pretty cool. Here's a nice little convertible, and that is not really sure. It doesn't have a brand on it. Man, I'm finding a few of these off brands, but they look so much like Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. Huh. Oh, check this out. It's like an old Lincoln or LTD or something. It's pretty cool. Again, is that, yeah, it says Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels from 1979. I wonder if that means it was made in 1979. That's pretty cool. No, because it'd have red line tires, I believe. Pretty cool nonetheless. And then finally, here's the last one, guys, a Tonka truck. Looks like it probably had a box on the back of it, but it's gone. Let's see what that is. Just says 1992 Tonka, so that's actually a Tonka toy, I believe. Anyway, that's it, guys. I'm glad I got this video done a little faster than last time. So here's a few of them that got 20 cars. It was about 12 bucks for 4 bags. 5 cars per bag, and that Savers has a ton of them. They got a bunch more bags there, so I'm gonna go back next week or whatever and check out and see what they got. So thanks for watching, you guys, and thanks so much again for 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate you guys supporting the channel. And until next time, we will see you on the next video, and happy hunting.